Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have PAULO LONDRA here featuring Feid called Veces. That's the song, and I don't understand a word from the song. I thought it was a cool rhythm, very easy to play. So this one will be a short one. Let's start with the capo set here on the first fret. And with that, we have three chords that goes over and over. It's the E minor, C, and D. So let's look at the chords. This is the first E minor. So open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next was the C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so now we just need the strumming pattern that works through the entire song. So grab the E minor, that's the first chord. One round will be down, up, clap, down. So down, and then a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Like this. Couple of rounds to understand how the rhythm goes. Sounds like this with E minor. And so on. So you're gonna play two strumming rounds for E minor, one for C, and one for D. That chord progression goes over and over from the beginning to the very end, like this. And that, my friends, covers a song called Veces. So thank you for watching, guys. Till next time, play tuned.